373. Raised to 4 minus. Dito natin is 303.50 raised to 4. So, naka-Kelvin to the 4. Maka-cancel yung Kelvin to the 4, maka-cancel yung isang meter. Isang meter lang yung na-cancel kasi meron tayong per length dito. Per unit length. So, yung Q natin, 1, 2, per unit length. So, that is equal to unit naka watts per meter. 600. Yan yung sagot natin para sa 1. Question. Narito. Now, if daw yung ating surface is enclosed by another cylinder, it is envelope in a screen of diameter 32.75. So kung ito yung ating 37.5 cm, so in-enclosed siya by another diameter at 32.5 cm. And meron na to emisivity 2 which is at 0.7. So ito ilan yung emisivity 1 natin dito? 0.8. Okay? And meron temperature yung screen natin. Ito yung temperature nito at 340 degrees Celsius. And ito yung T1 natin. So, ulit, same given here. So, T1 that is 500. 500 degrees Celsius. Okay, so same given, nilagyan lang ito. So, ilan daw yung reduction in heat by radiation due to provision ng screen. Ilan daw ang mababawas natin na Q dahil sa nilagay natin screen. Therefore, need din natin i-compute yung ito. So, yung T1 natin, solution, T1 natin, that is equal to 500. Need muna natin i-convert. So, 770, 3.50. Okay, so dito is equal to 340. Since yung screen natin, so yung screen is 340. So 340 plus 273.15. That is equal to 3, 4, 5, 17, 9, 10, 11, 615. Ay, 613.15. 613.15 Kelvin. So, nakuha natin yung dalawang temperatures. Meron tayo radius 1. So, makukuha din natin yung radius 2, which is same dito. Palitan nyo lang ito ng 32.5. So, radius 1, 0.1375. And yung radius 2, that is equal to 0.325 divide 2, 0.1625 meter. Okay, so ito na tayo ng ating given. Now, sabi ko, tingnan nyo, dalawa na yung emissivity natin. So therefore, yung gagamitin natin dito na Q12 over L with yung screen, so emissivity bar constant times 2 pi r. 2 pi r kasi yung length inalis natin dyan ha. Pero yung given yung length, mo mag-divide yung maliit ng dito. Since yun yung area natin. Times T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4. Okay, so yung emissivity bar, gamitin yung para sa case 2 which is 1 over emissivity 1 plus 1 over emissivity 2. Mali. Area 1 over area 2 times 1 over emissivity 2 minus 1. Okay? So, makukuha natin yung emissivity bar dyan. Pause mo muna. Okay, so, emissivity bar, sabi natin, under case 2, diba ito yung formula natin for emissivity bar. So, substituting yung mga given, so 1 over emissivity 1 natin, which is at 0.8 plus pi times yung radius 1. So radius 1 natin, that is equal to 0.1375 all over 2 pi times length, which is hindi given yung length. 2 pi times area 2, kaya gamitin natin yung radius 2 naman, yung malaki. 0.1625. 625 times yung length. Times ito, i-multiply natin siya sa 1 over emissivity 2, which is at 0.7, yung emissivity 2 natin. 0.7 minus 1. Okay? So, emissivity bar natin, makukuha natin at makukuha natin siya at 0.62 yung emissivity bar natin. Now, kunin na natin yung Q over L. Tapos itong 2 pi r na yan, yung radius na yan, in terms of area pa rin na nasa loob. Kaya yung radius na gagamitin natin, yung nasa loob pa din. Kasi yung nakakuha natin dito is yung temperature ng 1. So therefore, this is yung para sa radius 1. So yung Q12 over L, so that is equal to emissivity bar times yung constant area, which is 2 pi r1 times yung T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4. Q12 over L, 0.62 times area na 2 pi times radius 1, so 0.1375 meter times yung constant. So, naiwan yung constant. Naiwan yung constant natin. Times T1, which is 773 raised to 4 minus T2, which is 630. 0.15 raised to 4. So, makuha natin yung Q12 over L natin at 0, ilan? 6,559 watts per meter. So, same ng unit dun sa kanila. Now, ito na yung ating Q nung nilagyan ng shield. Ang pinapahanap dito is yung reduction in heat by radiation. So, kasi di ba, liliit yung, mas lumit yung radiation natin. Kasi nilagyan natin ang surface dun sa labas. So, meaning, para makuha natin yung reduction, so yung Q reduction, that is equal yung Q without yung ating screen, Q without screen, minus yung Q natin, yung screen. Yung inilagay natin na screen dyan. So, yung without screen, yung 13,671, di ba may 13,000 tayo kanina, minus yung 6,559 watts per meter. So, watts per meter. So, yung Q natin, reduction, that is equal to 7,000 watts per meter. 7,112 watts per meter yung Q reduction